Hello students, welcome you all for the course of MBA Semester 3 Advertising Management. Today is our lecture 15 and we are going to start a discussion on integrated marketing communication, and it is acronym as IMC. So, the objective of our today's session is help to understand the integrated marketing communication and its other related features. The contents of our today's session are integrated marketing communication, IMC history, IMC technology, IMC branding, IMC globalization, and IMC challenges, and as well as the IMC benefits. So students, we are talking about advertising field wherever many of the marketing channels that they tries to interact with each other. So whenever there is a coordination and integration in between that communication channels, okay, that is formed to achieve certain communication objective by means of using some unique idea with respect to that particular ad campaign. That time the process of establishing the marketing communication with the prospective group of customers, that process is called as integrated marketing communication. So we are already familiar with the various communication channels or communication mix, that is called as advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, direct marketing, public relation, packaging, and there should be other channels would be there. Okay. So whenever there is a coordination and integration in between these communication channels to achieve certain communication objective, then that is called as integrated marketing communication. So what exactly generally means? Okay, it is a process through which companies accelerate through by aligning the communication objectives with corporate goals. Companies are defining their own communication strategies, okay, and aligning with certain their corporate strategies to fulfill certain objectives. So they are using the several media at a time to communicate that whatever form of communication objectives. So all these several medias acting together in combination, okay, and there is a very well integration in such a way, okay, with respect to that particular ad campaign, okay, so as to fulfill that communication objective. So marketing communication generally uses some different marketing channels or different tools in combination. So whenever these different marketing communication channels acting together, okay, to by means of ensuring that all forms of communications and messages are carefully linked together to achieve some communication objective, that is called as what? Integrated marketing communication. So whenever all these communication channels acting together in such a way, okay, wherever whatever forms of communication channels or what form of messages which has been transmitted through that communication channels, so there is an integration in between, okay, all these communication channels to fulfill that advertisement objective or communication objective, then that process is called as integrated marketing communication. So integrated marketing communication exactly generally a new approach, okay, which has been emerged since 1980s. Wherever we are going to plan in such a way, okay, with respect to that particular advertisement campaign to make a grand success or to create a brand value with that particular product. So it is a new approach to marketing communication planning being driven by technology, customer, consumer, and by organizational desire efficiently to allocate the finite marketing resources. So whatever resources which are being required for effective marketing communication, okay, by means of using these channels. So here we are primarily targeting the prospects in such a way by means of using various forms of tools and other techniques, okay. Either it should be the technology, customer, consumers, or whatever forms of organizational objectives. So there is a very good coordination in between that communication channels and whatever that we are making the use of these tools. So we came to know that we are exactly living in the period of transition, okay, between the historical product driven outbound marketing system and new information driven, okay, interactive focused marketplace for 21st century. So here we are living with the computers and computing technologies, the internet, okay, even including some social media. So nowadays what happens, okay, dealing with that product marketing or service related marketing, we do require some another form of communication, okay, by means of making the product aware to the prospective group of customers in some 360-degree ways. So here we will require some particular form of strategy by means of which we can transmit the messages by means of using all the several medias, okay, and that will acting in combination so that we can satisfy the needs and wants of the customer, as well as we can satisfy their desire. So whichever number of customers those are across the segment, okay, whichever they are looking to satisfy their needs, wants and desire, okay, by means of using the several channels and other tools, okay, in combination so as to satisfy the communication and objective as well as the corporate goals of the company. So we are already familiar with these several forms of communication channels or communication mix that we were already discussed in the previous session, and how does it has been concentrating to satisfy the individual objectives with respect to these 4 P's. So here there should be a very good coordination that we should have to make by means of using, okay, to define the our message strategy and our advertisement campaign in such a way, okay, wherever each and every individual communication element, okay, that will be acting together, okay, so as to satisfy the individual customer needs and wants, okay. So according to AMA, means American Marketing Association, what exactly it tells about the integrated marketing communication. It is a concept that recognizes the added value of the comprehensive plan that evaluates the strategic roles of the variety communication discipline and combines this discipline to provide clarity, consistency and maximum communication impact. Okay, by means of using these American Marketing of Association's definitions of that IMC, okay, so IMC is a very comprehensive marketing plan so that we can communicate to the prospective group of customers, okay, by means of using the several media, okay, several forms of disciplines, okay, and provide some sort of clarity and consistency, okay, so that we can create some maximum impact on the customer, okay. So there will be what happens, okay, there are several medias that acting together, okay, with certain communication objectives and message strategy, okay. Whenever all these medias are acting together, so there will be a 360-degree communication across the consumers. Now what is the history of that IMC? Okay, particularly during the period of 80s, that way we came to know there are few firms those are operating their businesses, okay, very well. So it was quietly the need has been arises by means of that we came to know about the disposable income of the customers are increasing, and particularly the leisure time of the customer, they want to uh, they want to go to the restaurants, okay, or some on some holidays wherever there, okay, means they want some pleasant environment to live together, okay. and spend some time over there, means the lazier time exactly. So multiplexes were emerged, okay, restaurants and hotels were emerged, holiday packages were there, okay, even tours and transportation facilities were increased. So very few firms initially they are interested in the form of integration of these channels. So each and every department operated separately as a unique profit center. So either suppose say marketing department, okay, or production department, okay, or a media planning department, okay, whatever has been supposed to be there. So each and every department that those are isolatedly working and they want to satisfy their individual departmental objective. So profit were rising, it doesn't mean that the profit was rising, okay, but the shareholder value was not quite high, okay, that in that particular period of time. So during 80s, to satisfy the needs and wants of the prospective group of customers, here only the communication objectives has been defined in such a way by means of using that particular advertisement campaign. So marketing that we already knows about to create and deliver the value to the customers. So communicating, okay, creating, communicating and delivering value to the particular group of customers. So whenever we are talking about creating the value, okay, so it is quite necessary to integrate the particular channels of communication so that we can make our communication as effective and as possible by means of using whatever form of messages that we are transmitting from several communication media. So business was good in that particular period of time, okay. Why does the need has been arises? So we need to think about, okay, there was a shift from 4 P's, so product, price, place, promotion, okay. Beyond that there will be something that what customers are being looking for. Customers are looking for information with respect to that particular product and services. So how to transmit that information by means of using several channels, okay, acting together, okay, so that we can communicate them very effectively. So generally in case of 4 P's, what happens, there has not been mentioned with respect to the customers or profit, as well as customer retention was not very much important while defining that 4 P's, how to retain the particular prospective group of customer. So it is quite necessary to have some new approach to increase the market share. So every company that they are being trying to working to increase the market share by means of using some several medias, okay, but they are not in a position what exactly they need to do, because they are not very much familiar how to integrate the ad messages or whatever communication messages with the several media, okay, together. So cost efficiency was lacking whenever the individual departments are working isolatedly, okay, with to satisfy that particular group of to satisfy that communication objective. So either advertising or publicity or public relation, okay, and other media vehicles are supposed to be there, okay, those are all are working independently, and due to which we came to know that the cost efficiency was lacking. So whatever the overall communication objective, okay, that communication objective which was not satisfied exactly, okay, wherever each and every individual departments are acting, okay, particularly to satisfy their own objective. So there are the some drivers of IMC, okay. So whenever we came to know, okay, how does that individual organizations and their departments, those are working isolatedly and independently, okay, the idea has been emerging during that particular period of since 80s. So three shifts occurred in the mid 80s to trust the IMC to 4. Okay, particularly during the period of 80s, okay, we came to know, okay, we are going through this transition period. So we came to know different forms of product, services and other technologies that were started emerging with the help of other digital tools, okay, mobile computing services, computer related peripherals, okay, they were started emerging during that particular period of time, and we will started to make the use of these products. So the increasing emphasis would be on the brands, okay, and simultaneously creating a brand value with respect to that particular product that should be concentrated by many of the corporate houses and as well as large multinational firms. So the increasing focus on multinationalization and globalization. So the companies are being thinking not only about to satisfy their local and regional customers, so they are also started to think about the global customers, those are being residing across the world. So the world would become the prospective market for themselves, okay, and therefore multinationalization process, so that they were started to export related activities, and as well as they started some franchising related activities across the many of the nations. So one of the important factors that will be helpful in support of IMC is that the demand for value based business approaches that generate the cash flow and shareholders value. So here how to increase that shareholders value by means of providing the appropriate services to the customer, that has been keenly focused, and it should be communicated with the help of that IMC processes. So IMC processes primarily demand, okay, demand for value based businesses. So not only to create a value among the product, and as well as how to deliver the value to that particular group of customers, that should be focused on that IMC processes. So we came to know there has been a shift in that marketing spending, okay, and we are going to start it concentrated using that IMC form of communication strategy. So new forms of marketing communication has been needed, and the need has been arises that in such a way the many of the corporate houses, businessmen and marketeers, simultaneously advertisers and media agencies think about, okay, there should be something that has been required to communicate to the targeted group of customers, or how to deliver the message effectively to the targeted group of customers. So new breed of communication strategies emerge, okay. So we started focusing on some other media, so try to make the use of that digital media, okay, using some social media, okay, internet also we started to make the use of that. So sales promotion, direct marketing, public relations, they were started flourishing by means of using some trade shows, exhibitions, okay. So we started by making the use of various forms of communication mixed together, okay, and try to achieve the communication objective. Whenever the firms find out that, okay, okay, there is a good prospects, okay, how to create a value with respect to that particular product and other services, and to get attract that particular group of customers, so they started focusing on integrating some other channels of communication together, so as to communicate the very effectively by means of using the appropriate message strategy through advertising. Technology is one of the very important factor wherever we are concentrating since 90s, okay. So computer technologies were started emerging wherever many of the customers that they are focusing to perform these operations using that computing technologies. So so many of the customers started focusing on how to make the use of this technology, or they were started to come closer to that technology, okay. They were started to make the use of computer and printing facilities, okay. They were even started to make the use of different softwares and other related features which are available in the software, and try to make the good forms of presentation, okay. So several softwares were yes, started they were started to make use of themselves. So it was the first time that companies could find out what type of customers made the mass market for their product, okay. So here they think about, okay, how to satisfy that particular group of prospects wherever they okay, they are being focusing to satisfy their work related activities and even entertainment related activities. So they started to make the use of that technology. So new forms of printing, okay, banners, okay, and advertisements, they were started to coming. even printing technologies was quite improved. Okay, so they, with respect to some different software come, that Photoshop, PageMaker and other Corel Draw, that they were started coming. Okay, so thus unlike the past, activities of the companies now revolve around the customers and their wants, needs rather than the product and services. So rather than focusing on product and services and with respect to whatever forms of their 4Ps, so they started to make the use of these technologies and started to focusing on that customers needs and wants, and how to satisfy that customers needs and wants. Okay, they were started to make the use of these technologies, and what form of activities exactly that goes in the mind of the customers, they try to measure it. Okay, so here they also tries to make the use of that various research related activities and identifying, okay, what are the prospective group of customers. So how to satisfy that prospective group of customers by means of using technologies that they were focused. So once identifying the appropriate use of technologies, then they think about, okay, how to create a brand value among the prospective group of customers. So with the development of new multi-competitor marketplace, a new competitor has emerged, and that is called as the brand. So the company started focusing on the brand, and they try to make the brand as a complete one, okay, or complete offering. Okay, so that whatever forms of ingredients are being required to define that complete offering. Okay, and how to communicate that brand value to that particular prospective group of customers. Okay, so they started to make the use of certain form of other communication strategies. If particularly investment firms were first to discover the huge loyal consumer base commanded by the brand. Okay, so many of the corporate houses, particularly investment firms and banks, they were started to focusing on customer services, and they try to create the brand value among them. So it started emerging the concept of brand loyalty among the customers. Okay, or suppose how does the consumers are being loyal to that particular firm, so that the consumer will be retained very easily. So this work on the future value of the successful brand. So many of the successful stories are being supposed to be there. So we know about Coca-Cola, Nike, and they started focusing, even Apple. Okay, they started focusing on how to create the brand value among the products. Okay, and satisfy the needs, wants and desires of the customers, prospective group of customers. So thus the focus of marketing activity has been completely changed over a period of time. Okay, and communicating what the organization made or did the creation of the brand rather than creation of the brand. So they are focusing on that how to deliver that brand to the customers and give some good experience to the customers, and that has the power to focus, okay, through the value of the firm. So here companies are started to creating the value among the product and communicating that value to the prospective group of customers by means of using several media and other several channels of communication. Simultaneously, since the number of countries, the process of globalization has been started, so the whole world will become the marketplace for many of the companies. So with the increased globalization came the need for organization to change their communication strategies. Even in India, we were started to introduce the LPG since 90s. Okay, liberalization, privatization and globalization. So many of the companies, particularly the foreign companies, they were identified India will be a good destination for investment, and they started to make the investment after the introductions of LPG in India. So companies, okay, or countries, okay, those who are being already having the excess of production, so they say they were started export related activities or franchises in some other countries, or even by means of using some sort of licensings. So it became critical to create a unified, consistent and integrated brand strategy where remaining responsive to the unique needs of the individual market and culture. Now, since the individual countries, those are having their own individual values and culture, okay, so simultaneously it is quite not easy for many of the multinational firms to focusing their needs, wants and desires, okay, with respect to the customer, those are residing in these countries. So suppose any particular US firm, that those who are being looking that India will be a good destination for investment, so whenever they are going to thinking in such a way, okay, wherever, okay, they are not very much familiar with the Indian customers, so what exactly their needs, wants and desire, okay, they were started to make the use of the that marketing research and advertising research, okay, and try to satisfy how to satisfy that particular needs, wants and desire, so they are keenly started focusing on them. So that requires some integrated brand strategy to communicate and deliver the value to the customers. The need has been arises with the help of that globalization, where many of the, okay, foreign market players that they were started emerging to came, not only to came in India, but they were started to make the businesses in other developing countries. So they were started to make the use of export, okay, licensing, okay, franchising, in such a way, okay, they were started their business. But how to create a brand value, okay, it was a quite a question in the mind of many of the marketeers, particularly the foreign players. So here they started to make the use of that marketing, international marketing research, okay, or research related activities with respect to the customers those are residing in these countries. So we came to know there was a lot of challenges even also, okay, during that process of communication to establish the rapport with the customers. So it is quite necessary to develop some different forms of teams, so cross functional teams, okay, which can be replaced with the help of that departmental stores. So many of the companies that they were started their retail outlets and other departmental stores in other mega cities, okay, or cosmopolitan cities, to satisfy to their needs, wants and desire, and they were started, okay, services, post sales services to them, and that creates some sort of brand value with respect to that particular product and services. Simultaneously the internet and e-commerce, they, okay, that were started emerging, okay, due to the advent of new technological tools with respect to 2G, 3G, now 4G services are available, okay, and we are approaching to that 5G related services. So not only the internet speed has been increased, but also, okay, whatever features with respect to that services, that has been also increased, okay, wherever the customers are looking for speed and other forms of related services, so that customers, they were also emerge. So two-way channel between organization and customers, that they were started emerging. So continuous focusing on that customers and to satisfy their needs, wants and desire, okay, that are being keenly focused by the targeted group of customers. So here all activities of the organizations work around a single factor, okay, and that single factor is needs and wants of the customer, and how to satisfy that needs and wants of the customer, okay, it is by means of creating a shareholders value, okay. Here the shareholder is not to be supposed to be here, okay, so there will be a stakeholders, okay, that stakeholder may be a client, okay, that stakeholder may be any business to business person, the stakeholder here may be the customer, a prospective group of customer, a future customers over here, okay, that would have an interest in that particular company, either in the form of interest of buying or to make an investment in that company, or as well as to buy the product of that particular company. So here company started to make the focus on that particular client and customer, okay, and whatever their needs and wants are supposed to be there. So they not only try to improve the clientele, okay, they also started to make the use of customer relationship management, okay, they try to make the use of a very established form of communication, okay, by means of using direct marketing also, okay, along with some sales promotion related activities. So they completely focus on to satisfy the needs, wants and other desire of the prospective group of customers. So it was a bigger challenge for themselves to meet that challenges, they have done a lot of things, not only opening the departmental stores. Okay, they were started post sales services also. So by means of introducing the several form of services, they want to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers. So the integrated marketing communication, wherever we are using the different forms of media across the various channels, okay, wherever we try to meet the objective and communication objective in such a way, by means of satisfying the customer needs and wants and creating value among the products. Okay, so IMC has been benefited in many of the ways, wherever we are concentrating on the by means of improving the importance of internal marketing. So internal marketing communication that has been improved across the various departments and their other related channels of communication. Okay, increasing focus on cross functional teams and cross selling that they were started. Okay, wherever many of the companies that they were improved their infrastructure and other related resources, by means of that they started to make the use of not only the salesmen, okay, even direct and other indirect channels of communication that they were started. They were it helps to improve their channel management. Okay, even whatever form of network has been supposed to be there, that they were also improved, so that they can serve the larger number of customers by means of using the dealer, distributor, okay, and other peripheral networks that they were started to make the use of. They also help to increase the spending on the employees training. So across the several departments, so they were started to make the use of that effective employee training among them to communicate their idea very effectively. And one of the very essential related activities that they have done, they will improve that internal communication among them and transmitted that similar information across the various employees. So that will be helpful to create the brand value with respect to that particular product and services. Building the corporate brand. Okay, so corporate branding has been focused by many of the companies, okay, by means of using group advertising or institutional advertising. Okay, even they were started to make the use of that CSR, social corporate responsibilities. Okay, lot of campaigns that they were done with respect to that. So it is quite helpful to the companies to create the overall corporate value with respect to that particular prospective group of customers or clients. So multimedia projects of the marketing communication with common theme, okay, that they were started. So they were started to make the use of various internet related tools and other services. So multimedia projects were started emerging by means of using the changing technologies. Okay, so they were started to make the use of that common thing across the various channels of communication. Even that will helpful to create the synergy among that communication channels. So almost all medias whatever that they are using, so they will be integrated in such a way. So the synergetic effect would be there. So whatever form of communication objectives has been there, okay, that should be similar and as well as effective, that could be concentrated by almost all the or varieties of companies. Establishing harmony in thoughts and action. So it was a very good form of action has been supposed to be there, keeping the communication as simple as possible. So keep it simple and sweet. Okay, in this way, okay, good form of communication that they were started communicating. So focusing their strategy on the messages, okay, and with respect to that advertisement, so they started to make the communication as simple as possible, and so that each and every person, particularly any form of layman person, can understood the message, okay, very well. Integrating all business functions and aligning marketing communication to facilitate the achievement of corporate goals. So whatever forms of their overall objective with respect to that particular businesses, that can be integrated with other several departments and other channels of media, and they try to focusing on to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer by creating value among them. Okay, So not only to deliver the product to the particular group of customers, so they were completely focusing on, okay, how to satisfy that prospective group of customers. Now this is the example of launch of Tata Indigo the IMC way. Okay, how effectively Tata has managed the launching of that Tata Indigo, and they will communicate that messages very effectively. The car has been designed in such a way, okay, to communicate the message with respect to that comfort and luxury. Okay, here you can identify it from the picture even also. Okay, so across the media, they were communicated using some different forms of messages and visuals in the media. Say for example, using some aram chair was used in the variety of media vehicles, including newspaper, magazines, okay, internet, okay, merchandising, TV, outdoor, okay, website, event design, brochures, even hoardings are they were displayed in the varieties of cities. So there are some unique forms of message strategy and visuals that they were used to create some overall impact on the targeted group of customers. So whenever the event was launched, okay, they use a very integrated forms of communication strategy over here, and the product got a huge success initially. There are a lot of examples wherever many of the companies that are focusing on these brands, okay, through that IMC and communicating the targeted group of customer very effectively. These brands got a very huge success not only in India, across the varieties of other countries also. So worldwide that they were started to make the use of that one of the advertisement campaign that is called as smell like a man. Okay, so you watch that advertisement campaign that is available on YouTube also. Even Apple, they were started to make the use of that website design using some form of storefront. So they were started to make the use of that storefront over there, okay, in that cover page of the website design, and that gives some different forms of experience to the user. So similarly, other brands Nike, okay, Volkswagen, Coca-Cola, Amway, some Indian companies, okay, Indian brands, okay, wherever Amul, Surf Excel, Cadbury, Lux, Santur, they will manage their overall media strategy in such a way, so by means of very integrated form of communication. So even some e-commerce companies, Flipkart and Amazon, okay, so they were started to make the use of that IMC form of communication very effectively to satisfy the targeted group of customers. So that's all about our today's session. So we will discuss many of the further issues with respect to that IMC in the next session also. Thank you very much.